Another day, another English lesson. Inclusive language, words that work for everyone. Hi everyone. Today we're talking about inclusive language. Inclusive language means choosing words that can refer to everyone, without making assumptions about gender or excluding anyone unnecessarily. Using these words helps your English sound natural, professional, and modern. 1. Gender-neutral job titles. Some traditional job titles show gender, even when the work can be done by anyone. Modern English prefers neutral terms. Instead of mailman, use mail carrier. Instead of fireman, firefighter. Instead of stewardess, flight attendant. Instead of chairman, chairperson or chair. Instead of businessman, use businessperson. Instead of waiter or waitress, use server. Instead of actor or actress, just use actor for both men and women. These terms are widely accepted and easy to use in all contexts. 2. Neutral pronouns. When we don't know someone's gender, we can use neutral language. For example, instead of saying, each student must bring his book, say, each student must bring their book. Using they, them, their as singular pronouns is natural in modern English. 3. Gender-neutral words in general. Some words or expressions include gender unnecessarily. We can replace them with neutral alternatives. Instead of man-made, use human-made or artificial. Instead of freshman, use first-year student. These changes are simple, clear, and widely recognized in modern English. Summary. Inclusive language is about clear, respectful communication. It helps your English sound professional and natural, while making sure no one is unintentionally excluded. Now watch and change the words that are not inclusive language. One. The mail carrier delivered the letters early this morning. 2. The flight attendant greeted the passengers as they boarded the plane. 3. The chairperson opened the meeting with a short speech. The chair opened the meeting with a short speech. 4. The business person traveled to London for a meeting. 5. Each first-year student must attend the welcome ceremony. 6. The police officer stopped the car for speeding. 7. The actor received an award for their performance. 8. The server brought our meals to the table. 9. If a student forgets their homework, they must stay after school. 10. A customer can ask a salesperson for help if they need it. (11) This human-made lake is a popular spot for fishing. This artificial lake is a popular spot for fishing. I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT English language learning videos soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.